Hi, this is Yash here from Click IT, and today I'm going to show you how to edit the content on your website, how to change these images and make some changes to this photo gallery and some of the sections of your website. Okay, so first you need to log into the backend, the admin panel of your website, and to log in you need to write your website URL/wp-admin. Once you click enter, you will get this screen. Add your username and password here and login. So after login, you will see the backend of this website. Now you can toggle between backend and frontend from here. Okay, visit site. So you can open up the front end in a new tab like this. So this is the front end, back end. Okay. Now the main part is this viewer builder. If you want to make any change to this content, you need to always click on this viewer builder button. Once you click on it, you will get the viewer icon at the top. I'll show you in just a second. It's loading. Okay, so like this, the beaver icon at the top. Okay, and when you mouse over on any of these sections, you will get this blue and gray boxes. Now if you want to change this content, you just need to click on this wrench icon and text editor setting, and when you click on it, you will get this type of text editor, same like Microsoft Word. You can add your content here like this, right? And then just save, done, and publish. When you click publish, that change will be live. Now if you want to change this image, you just need to click on that image, and over here edit the image, go to your media library and select any of the image you want to use there. Right now we have selected this image. Now if you want to use this one, you just need to click there, right? Then select photo, save, right? Same with this photo gallery, just click on it, edit the gallery. Now you can remove the photo and add new photos from your media library. You can select multiple photos at the time for gallery, right? Then just save. Okay, same here with the button. Now if you want to change the link or the text of this button, just make your change, save, done, and publish. Right, very easy. Now this main slider is little bit different. For that, you need to go to the smart slider here in the back end. Click on dashboard. Okay, go to the dashboard green button and this edit. This is the slider. We have used 3 different slides here. You can click on edit. Now if you want to change this image, go here, parent slide. Okay, and change your image here, whatever image you want to use. Okay, once you are done with that, just click on save. That's it, it's saved. Now again go to the dashboard. Okay, that part is covered. And this testimonial, let me show you. Go to the beaver builder. And here is this testimonial section, click on it. Okay, and we use the Google reviews. Okay, so this is coming from your Google My Business page, directly from your business page. So whatever reviews added there on your Google, it will automatically be saved here. There are a number of settings also available, like carousel setting. Carousel means slider, how many slides you want to slide at a time, 1, 2, 3, what type of effect do you need, fade, cube, slide, all those settings are here. And same case with inner pages. Now let me go to one of the inner pages, like about the staff. Okay, so click on Beaver Builder again, and yeah, just add it. There you go. Now if you want to add this type of image, you can click on add image, select the image, insert the photo like this, set the alignment like left hand side, centered, right hand side, right, and then save. Now we have a standard footer widgets here, as you can see, and this is a custom built footer. So to edit this section, it's little bit complex, but let me show you. You need to go to the Beaver Builder and Themer Layouts. Okay, and over here you will see the footer. Now in the footer, you need to click on this Beaver Builder. You can open it in a new tab. Once you are there, you will get the same type of Beaver Builder things. Over here you can change all this content, you know, like this. So just edit it, add your stuff like this, paste, right, and then save. Once it's saved, just done and publish. Okay, for now I'm just removing this. So this is the footer section of your website. From there you can edit everything. All the inner pages are same, you know, same Beaver Builder. Like contact us, go to Beaver Builder. This is your map. We have used an iframe of your map here, of your address from the Google, like this. You can get that from the Google. And same case with this and this section, this title as well, like this. So yeah, this is what you can use to edit your stuff on your website, you know. If you need any further help, just let us know. We are here to help you. Thank you so much. And yeah, one more thing, basically we have some tutorial videos available on our ClickIt website design website. Let me show you. You need to go to the clickitwebsitedesign.com and click on lessons here. Once you go to the lessons, you will get all our tutorial videos. If you want to learn more about Beaver Builder, you know, and other Beaver Builder or WordPress related tutorial videos, you know, all those videos are available here. If you want to do some SEO, you can watch this video as well, and your video will be published here. This is a dedicated video just for you. Okay, and it will be available on this page as well. Still, if you find any confusion, just let us know. We are here to help you. Thank you.